Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to get Windows 10 Pro. As you can see, this machine already has Windows 10 Pro because I did the steps that I will show you in this tutorial. This method is 100% free. So if you want to get Windows 10 Pro or any other edition of Windows, please follow this tutorial. So now I'm here in this machine that has Windows 10 Home. Before we start, I want to advise you something. If you're going to make a fresh installation of Windows 10 and you get to this screen, please click I don't have a product key and then choose the version or the edition of Windows 10 that you want. So if you want Windows 10 Pro, choose Windows 10 Pro, or if you want Windows 10 Education, choose other version. So to begin, we have to download this file, which will be available in the description. You will have to click the link, skip an ad, and you will download the file. It will contain keys of Windows 10 and activation scripts. The password is John in lowercase, JOHN. So now we will get these files, and the keys will be useful in the case that we do not have Windows 10 Pro or Education or Enterprise or the version that we want in our machine. In the case that you made a fresh installation of Windows 10 and selected the version that you wanted, you do not have to follow these steps of going to Settings, System, About, and then changing the key. We have to click Change Product Key or upgrade your edition of Windows. As you can see, we have Windows 10 Home, and we have to click Change Product Key. We will find a key that we want. Sometimes some keys do not work. In that case, you will have to try to find a key in Google, or if you are not able to find a key, you will have to make a fresh installation of Windows and then choose the version that you want. But in this case, this key, which is for Windows 10 Pro, works. We now see a message, upgrade your edition of Windows. We will click Start. And now we got to this message, unable to upgrade your edition. But don't worry guys, this is normal. This is because we're not connected to the internet. Now we have to restart our computer. And as you can see, it says working on updates. Adding features. Restarting again. Okay. So we have to go to Settings. Now we go to System, About, and as you can see now I have Windows 10 Pro, and we have now to activate our Windows 10 installation because we have a different key, and we have three methods, three options. Each one of them have a different method for activating Windows 10. All of them are Windows scripts, so nothing is going to be installed on your machine. Usually the option 2 is the one that works for me, so I will choose the option 2. Now we see several options. we will try the number 2, which is HWID activation. As you can see, for activating Windows 10, we type the number 2. And here we just have to wait a little bit. We see that there is no internet connection. That's alright. Okay, now we got to this. Activation failed. But as I told you guys, do not worry. This is no problem because it did not fail. So now we can connect back to the internet and we can test our script again. And this time it will check if we have Windows 10 activated, if we press option number 2. And if you followed every step of this tutorial, you will see this successful message checking Windows 10 Pro is permanently activated. And for you it could be Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise or Education or other. But now I will go to System and About, and as you can see, Windows 10 Pro, and there are not any messages telling us that our system is not activated, because it is activated. It was 100% free. And if you found this video helpful, if it worked for you, please leave a like and subscribe. It will be very helpful to me, and I will be able to continue to create new content